Okay, so today I'm getting to the carbs a little better. I cut this old fuel line because I bought a new fuel line. I disconnected the choke, which I assume this is. Next will be the throttle, which is back behind that black wire right there. I've taken these off, so it's actually movable now. I had to take the air box off, so I got that removed. Right now I'm right in the middle of removing this so I don't have anything in the way when I slide these out. Again, this is 1980 Honda Goldwing GL 1100. Trying to fix it up, make it better. Sure don't look that good right now. Alright, so I'm gonna finish taking this off, and I don't know if you can see from here. I hope you can. Sorry for the shakiness. Alright, so let's get this off. Holy cow. That's a much larger. Most of the things on this bike have been, and I mean most, have been 10 millimeter. Every now and then you get the odd 14 millimeter, but that's all right. We got it. Yeah, something about all those people in our government lying about President Trump. I mean, how crazy. I mean, they didn't just lie a little bit. They lied. Like, they didn't have anything on the guy at all. Oh, man, please don't say it's behind the header. Adam Schiff, that guy, he should go to prison for treason. Fudge, I mean, sorry. Okay, I need a cheater. This thing is torqued. Oh, okay. Just while I get a cheater. Somewhere. That won't fit. That should fit. It doesn't. This will fit though. Alright. Okay, I think it's on there. Come on now. On there. That's crazy. Oh, I can't think of anything in the history of this country that's as bad as that. How the hell do you get that out of there?
You got everything you need for that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so far.
Cool. You know.
some of these things a little. Well, let's see. Oh, stop it. Yeah, thanks, Kurt. Let's see, how the hell do we get that out? As I said, I'm no master mechanic. So we got 2 throttles in here. And I am not sure how to get them out. All right, well, as I try to figure out how to get to those in there, I'm gonna stop this so you don't have to sit and listen to my neighbor's weed eater.